So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to run a sale on eBay. So first of all, go to ebay.com. You can then see hi your name. You can after that see account settings and sign out, as well as daily deals and some other options, as well as ship, sell, watchlist, and my eBay. To run a sale, go to your account settings first. Then you will see personal info, selling, donation, payment, and account preferences. Go to your seller dashboard under selling. On there, you can see activity, messages, account applications. So through here, you can see seller account preferences and so on. So once you set up your seller account, you will be able to, as you make some listings, go to marketing as part of this seller account. And on there, you can use the option of create discount. You can even start to do that through the listing that you already have and choose marketing. So I'm just going to show you eBay seller marketing because I don't have any listings right now. I'll just show you what eBay offers for promotion strategies. So you can see open seller social media and so on. But to run a sale, just go to your marketing part of the seller page, and you can check some more information out on eBay's help page as well. But through here, you can set it up by going through your marketing and then running a sale. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on eBay or some other topics you might enjoy as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.